Hey there, welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back. My name is Belkis and today I'm going to show you some items that I purchased on SHEIN. I purchased a few boxes of full cover nail tips. My intention with these nail tips is to create press-on nails. I was looking specifically for nails that are more on the flat side, because if you buy the nail tips that have too much apex or arch, those won't be good for press-on nails. Those will be better for like the Gel X method, for example. As you can see, the shape is really nice, and the box is including half sizes, which is very convenient for people that are in between sizes. You still will have to customize your nails regardless to your natural nail shape. The next ones are medium almond. They are more on the short side, to be honest, but they are really cute and I like it. As you can see, the box is including as well half sizes. I like this brand, I purchased from them before and they are very nice nail tips. These nails here are long coffin and they are a different brand on SHEIN. So next I'm gonna show you the liner brushes that I purchased. These are not like the best quality ever, but they will last you for a while. At least the last set I purchased, they last me for a while. Even when I clean them then with acetone or alcohol, they last me a while, maybe like a year before I had to purchase a new set. And they are including different lengths. And the last item that I'm going to show you is a silicone mold that I'm going to be using on today's set to create my nails. So stay tuned for that. Next, I have to remove my old gel polish and I'm going to be using a 150 grit sanding band. These ones are the mini version. I really like it because it can get very precise around the corner of my nails. And I'm using this portable nail file that I purchased on Amazon. It's rechargeable as well and it's very nice. So far it's been lasting me for a while. Every time as I start using a new sanding band, I file it against a regular nail file. This is called seasoning, to remove the sharp edges of the sanding band so you don't cut yourself. And very slowly, with a very light pressure, I'm going to file off all my gel polish. You can soak off your nails as well with acetone to remove gel polish, but in this case I'm allergic to acetone and I can't really touch it, so that's why I have to file it off. You just have to be careful if you're filing off gel polish, not to file too much and then hit the natural nail and damage it. That happened to me before, so I learned by experience, believe me, and it's not nice. At the same time, I'm gonna be filing all the rough skin that I have around my fingers. I don't really have like a huge cuticle, but I do buff the new growth of the nail to prep it and get it ready for the new gel polish. Next, I want to make sure that I don't have any dust left on the nails, and I'm wiping them with alcohol. And then I'm going to move on to the nail prep. I already reshaped my nails as well as the best as I could. I tried to make like a extremely short almond shape because I don't have much choice. That's what I have to work with today. Next, I'm going to apply the hydrator and primer. The dehydrator is going to make sure that your nails are free of any oils, And the primer is going to create like a sticky layer. It's gonna act as a double-sided tape between your gel polish and your nails to help with adhesion. And these items are from Model Ones. I purchased this set on Amazon. They are very affordable, to be honest, and they work really well. Next, I'm applying base gel from the brand Imaily, and I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds under my UV LED lamp. Today I'm going to be using two colors, this beautiful nude from Imaily as well, and I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this and cure each coat for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to be using a blue as well from Imaily. I'm using this brand because this brand is HEMA free, TPO free, and HPMA free, which are chemicals that are being banned in other countries. As well, I switched it because last year I was having allergic reactions to other brands. I wasn't sure exactly which brand was the one that was giving me the allergic reactions, but I had to stop for a few months before I try again. Then I found Imaily, and I saw that they were free of all these chemicals. I tried them, and there you go, it's working for me, no allergic reactions, and I'm happy because I like to have my nails done and I don't want to have all these harsh chemicals that give allergic reactions. Maybe they have other type of chemicals in it, but so far they're working for me, and the most important thing is to use them properly. Educate yourself, make sure you have a good strong lamp that will cure these gels properly. And just be careful, wear gloves, clean the gel if it touches your skin quickly. I use alcohol just to wipe any gel that touch my skin, and I'm very careful. I wash my hands very well after doing my nails just to make sure I don't have any residues on the skin. These products are meant for nails and it should not be touching your skin. So if you're careful and you do your research, you will be fine using these items. Right now I'm just creating a very quick flower and just using base gel as a blooming gel, and this is the easiest way to create a flower. Just with a liner brush you take a few drops, apply them onto the nail and let it spread for a little bit, and once you're happy with the design, just cure it for 60 seconds. Next, I'm cleaning the silicone mold with alcohol just to make sure that there isn't any debris or dust in it. And then I'm gonna use some glitter from the brand Imaily again, just to fill the little stars that are here, cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to design my nails with that. As you can see, it's not very difficult to remove from the mold. I think I have to clean up a little bit the edges, but not that much. It came out really cute, I like it. So I'm gonna be using some base gel as a rhinestone glue, just because the rhinestone glue that I have is not HEMA free. I'm going to be doing this today, and then once I have everything in place and secure, I'm going to apply like 2 layers of top coat to make sure everything is nice and sealed and it won't move out of place for sure. Next, I'm going to apply top coat from the brand Imaili, cure that for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to complete my right hand and I'll be back with the final result for today. The nails came out really cute. I'm very happy with the results today. I just want to say thank you if you stay until the end of the video. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you on the next one.